In this video, we're going to have a look at two examples of solving an exponential equation where we're going to use logarithms to help us find the value of x. So in my first example, I've got 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 is equal to 62. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide my equation by 5. Now I'm going to take logs of both sides. So I'm going to use log base 10 and I'm going to get log 2 to the power of 3x plus 1 is equal to log 12.4. Now what I can do is use my power rule to bring down the 3x plus 1. So I'm going to end up with 3x plus 1 log 2 is equal to log 12.4. Now I'm going to expand the bracket to give 3x log 2 plus log 2 is equal to log 12.4. Now what I can do is I can subtract the log 2 and then divide by 3 log 2. So if I start by subtracting log 2, I'm going to get my little minus log 2, and then I can divide by 3 log 2, and that's going to leave me my x on the left-hand side. This is what I can type into my calculator, and this is going to give me a value of 0.877. In my next example, I need to solve 5 to the power of x is equal to 6x to the minus 1. So again, I'm going to start by taking logs of both sides. So I'm going to get log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 6 to the power of x minus 1. Now, once again, we're going to use our power rule and bring our powers down. So that's going to give me x log 5 is equal to x minus 1 log 6. Now I'm going to expand the right-hand side to give x log 5 is equal to x log 6 minus log 6. Now I'm going to collect all of my x terms onto one side. So I'm going to have x log 5 minus x log 6 is equal to minus log 6. Now what I need to do is to get my x term out. So I'm going to factorise my x. So this is going to give me x log 5 minus log 6 is equal to minus log 6. And then finally, I can divide by that bracket to leave my x term on its own. And this is what I'm going to type into my calculator. And this will give me 9.83.